About to get baby a car. Come on. Now, like I said, now you know you done wrecked your car or whatever. You keep wrecking your shit. And that's what I told you. Like, now we got your car. He said $1,000 and already paid the man. We got this car right here. It's done. We got it. Like, I already know you might not like it or none of that. But like I said, it's $1,000. And we can ride around, get your little money until like we get something better. Other than that, I just had to pay. I'm getting tired of you wrecking cars. So
who's driving this?
What you mean who driving? That's why I started recording, because I already know you're gonna be on BS just in case it come down to it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's $1,000. You can't beat it. It's nothing wrong with it. It's $1,000. It's clean. It's not dirty.
Marco, I don't want this car.
What do you mean?
I don't want this car.
Why you got your face up front? Like, how you gonna be ungrateful?
Because this ugly ass car, like, I'm too cute to be riding around.
What do you mean you
like,
too cute?
You got the motherfucking auction numbers on here and shit.
Okay, he
like,
gonna clean all that up.
Okay,
He gonna clean all that up.
Look all this.
It's $1,000.
Look like my grandma riding
It's $1,000. Like, you already wrecked the car over there. The car is total over there.
I don't give a fuck. I'd rather drive around and that motherfucker had one of my friends. Why can't you give me something like this? Like, this car is cute.
But because it's heat wax. Okay, but
2000. This one right here. Yep, it's only.
You really gonna be ungrateful? Like, this is a brand, like a car right here is good.
I'm not driving this. Who's driving it? Not me.
It's nothing wrong with it. Like I
tell them to give him your get your money back.
How am I get my money back? What you mean?
All sales is final. Well, you shit out of luck.
What you mean?
I'm not driving it.
When you buy a cash car, there's no receipt.
What you mean?
I don't see nothing wrong with it. You wrecking cars. That's what I'm not understanding. He helping us out. Like I said, he could be hitting more for that.
Motor and transmission is what I sell. The rest of the shit you complaining about is free. Now, all the free shit, but this is what I'm selling. I'm selling this brand new 2018 battery.
I want a 2018 car.
But this is a battery. The battery's in the car.
No, I want a car.
Look, this is 2018. The starter's 2018. The alternator and struts is 2018.
I don't give a fuck about none of that. I don't want
But why
this
you being ungrateful? Like, that's what I'm saying.
That's not being ungrateful.
He actually, it could have been cost more. It's $1,000. That's not bad.
Look, it's for a
Look
band.
at the motherfucker.
Look at the tires. Tires brand new.
The car's fucked up too. This whole car's fucked up. I don't know.
You really gonna act like that? Like, he been doing business. This is what he do.
Okay, I don't care what he doing. I don't want the car.
She's pretty and all, but I think you should get you an ugly bitch that'll be more grateful.
Yeah, you might want to get an ugly bitch because I can't ride around in this.
So you,
Look. Just hear me out. Now, if you get in the
bro,
car,
she really gonna, bro, this is bullshit, bro. Like, she really like gonna do this, bro. That's why I can't. And then you
now,
do like stuff like that.
Any of the shit you complaining about when you in the car? Can't nobody see that but motherfuckers walk.
Bro, I swear to God, bro. That's why you can't do nothing for nobody.
Riding around. What I look like pulling up with my friends in here. My bitches can't even.
What you mean? None of your friends are gonna pay for none of this. You worry about your friends.
Hey, we might just have to hop on the Met then. I don't know.
So you really gonna act like that?
No. Act like what?
There's no refund, so I don't know what you gonna do with this car. But you bought a
We'll have to do something.
Y'all better figure something out.
Bro, you really gonna act like that?
My raggedy ass car.
Bro, this is crazy, bro.
On that car. It closed.
I swear to God, bro. This shit, bro.